Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to explore NUMERAIRE, a bit of a follow-up as we've had a subscriber request this sort of content. We can see crypto today, Bitcoin is back up to $20.4 thousand, Ethereum pops back up to $1,184. So things are looking rather good in the cryptocurrency space. We've got a lot of green flashing again, and we're getting the kind of reminder of euphoria. As we can see, Chainlink and some other DeFi projects are doing pretty well. We've got Link up 3.4%, we've got Uniswap up 2.62%, and look at all the craziness going on in the market. There's not really much red at the moment. Is this potentially the bottom? We can see the fear and greed index is now at 18, so we've come up a little bit from that real extreme fear. We were sub 10, I believe, if we look at the monthly chart right here for our fear and greed index. You can see we came down to 10, we even came down to 6 at the very lowest point. So this is really extreme fear, and we're just slowly climbing out of this phase at the moment. So NMR NUMERAIRE token is trading at $16.86. You can see we're down 4% against Bitcoin, down 6% against Ethereum. Ooh, try not to sneeze. So as a volume, we are seeing a bit of a surge. We've got 11% increase in volume over the last 24 hours, but that market cap has just slipped away from its 100 million valuation. And looking at the daily time frame, we come down from $18.4 all the way to this $16 mark. So there's a lot of support that we're trying to hold at these particular levels. On the month, we came down from over $30. There's no surprise that we've seen this level of capitulation, and of course a big pullback here for NUMERAIRE. So what I am seeing is this very much reminds me of the broadening horizontal channel that we had here before. It reflects a lot of volatility, and we are seeing that at the moment with today's price structure. We can see we are putting through these higher highs on the macro time frame, but we're also putting through the lower lows as well, and it's a broadening horizontal channel, so the volatility is extremely high at the moment. And this was our huge pump from the other day. If we do pull up our Fibonacci extension and retracement tool, we can see we just corrected really just below the 0.618 golden pocket level, and we're still trading underneath that level at the moment for NUMERAIRE. So again, it's a key level to potentially find support, but what I am now looking at is a more significant bearish pattern, which is this descending triangle right here, and we need to hold this key level of support at $13.56, because if we do lose the support here, then we can measure the depth of this triangle, and it would give us a bearish price target of around about here. So we might see a 38% drop in the price down to $8.41 if we do lose the support level. Of course, we still have key support around this level here. This is a major support zone, the $10.15, which is probably more likely that we'd fall back to if we did actually lose the descending triangle here. So what could effectively play out if we do lose this support level, in my opinion, is that we would lose support here, retest as a resistance, continue down, and maybe we just retest this $10 level, and then we might even get a bounce back to the upside or something like this is what I would imagine can happen. Of course, it's speculation only, but if we do actually somehow get a breakout here to the upside, which would be fantastic, if we do see a pump, then we can start targeting much higher price levels, maybe even the $18 mark that we basically swung high to before. But yes, it is now a downtrend. You can see we went from our uptrend to a downtrend. We can see this is reflected on the 4-hour time frame. You see before we overextended on this time frame, and now we are back to being underextended on the 20-day moving average. So we're retesting the 20-day moving average as a resistance barrier each time. Hopefully we can see enough momentum come through. We're not really getting the volume anymore. That's all dropped off now, and the Bollinger Bands are telling us that we're actually at the bottom range, where we just got a nice bounce at that $13.55. So it's possible that we do hold the line. I do want to see this project go back through its 20-day moving average before seeing some continuation to the upside. NUMERAIRE's Twitter, they're still pushing on, 39.2k followers, and as far as the staking competition goes, they've got more locked in every single day. We can see June 28, 802,613 locked in. This is the staked on NUMERAIRE, and we can see now that number is 809,484 on the actual main tournament, and this one here, 186,858 is staked on the NUMERAIRE signals, up 11 NMR compared to yesterday. So that's pretty crazy stuff that they're offering such a strong incentive for the holders. keep an eye out on this project. I do think it's going to grow over time, of course. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hop into my Discord, come say hello. People are sharing some charts as well, which is really, really useful if you want to learn and grow with the community. Don't forget to navigate down to the Telegram channels, the B2C News, Crypto and Insights, and the Learn to Trade Telegram if you want to master the arts of trading for the next crypto bull run. Thanks for checking out the channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.